Imagine standing at the edge of your dreams, endlessly running towards them, only to feel like they slip further away with each step. Whether it's a thriving career, that goal you set for your bank account, or personal fulfillment, this constant chase can leave us worn out and perpetually unsatisfied. What if there was a way to bring your dreams to you instead of running after them? Chasing implies urgency and desperation, as if we are trying to grab hold of something that doesn't belong to us. On the other hand, attraction is about creating a state where our aspirations naturally gravitate towards us through a blend of positive thinking, personal development, and self-confidence. But why do some people choose to chase? This behavior often arises from deeply ingrained beliefs and societal pressures. We're taught that relentless effort and sacrifice are the only paths to earn success. Moreover, a lack of self-worth and confidence can lead us to seek external validation, compelling us to chase after what we think will complete us. Are you tired of trying really hard to get what you want, only to fall short? What if you could shift from chasing to attracting your dreams, fostering a life of balance and fulfillment? Here are 3 transformative ways to make that shift and start living the life you've always envisioned. Listen closely. Number 1, change your mindset. Imagine transforming your pursuit of dreams from a tiring chase into an effortless attraction. The first step to achieving this shift is cultivating the right mindset. When we operate from a mindset of scarcity and lack, we often feel compelled to chase after things, believing they are limited and difficult to attain. But what if we could see the world differently? Consider the power of an abundance mindset. This perspective is rooted in the belief that there is plenty to go around and that we are inherently deserving of good things. With this mindset, we can feel more relaxed and confident, knowing that what we seek can come to us naturally and effortlessly. Instead of focusing on what we lack, we begin to appreciate what we already possess, opening the door to greater possibilities. So how can you develop an abundance mindset? Practice gratitude. Start by reflecting on the positive aspects of your life each day. Spend a few minutes appreciating time with loved ones or the beauty of nature. Expressing gratitude to others, like writing thank you notes, can also strengthen your connections and bring joy to those around you. If you find it difficult to express gratitude verbally, remember that acknowledging others can bring them joy, and it costs nothing. Just make an effort to express it. Visualization. This powerful tool involves imagining yourself already in possession of your desires. Create a mental picture of your goals as if they have already been achieved. Visualization helps reinforce the belief that your aspirations are attainable and within reach. For instance, a study found that visualization improved athletic performance even without physical effort, demonstrating that rehearsing movements in your mind can positively impact actual performance. Affirmations. These are positive statements that affirm your worthiness and potential. By consistently affirming your abilities and the abundance in your life, you can reprogram your subconscious mind to align with these beliefs. This mental shift sets the stage for attracting rather than chasing, allowing opportunities and relationships to flow more naturally into your life. How might your life change if you shifted your focus from scarcity to abundance? By embracing these practices, you can start attracting your dreams and living a more balanced, fulfilling life. Number 2, pursue personal growth. Imagine how your life could transform if you focused on becoming the best version of yourself. When we invest time and effort into personal growth, we naturally attract the things we desire. This journey involves enhancing our skills, knowledge, and emotional well-being, making us more attractive to opportunities and people alike. Research shows that individuals with a growth mindset, believing they can develop their skills over time, are more motivated to improve their strengths than those who merely see themselves as competent. Specifically, having a growth mindset about a particular strength boosts motivation to enhance that area, emphasizing the importance of mindset in targeted personal development. So how can you embark on your self-improvement journey? Set personal development goals. Align your goals with your aspirations. If you aim to attract a fulfilling career, focus on acquiring relevant skills and knowledge in your field. This not only boosts your competence, but also increases your confidence, making you more appealing to potential employers or clients. Engaging in continuous learning, such as taking courses or attending workshops, keeps you updated and sharp. Enhance emotional intelligence. If you seek a healthy relationship, work on understanding yourself and improving your emotional intelligence. Recognize and manage your emotions effectively and practice empathy towards others. Developing good communication skills and the ability to resolve conflicts positively can greatly enhance your interpersonal relationships. Imagine the possibilities if you dedicated yourself to personal growth. By focusing on becoming the best version of yourself, you can attract the opportunities and relationships you desire, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Number 3, and possibly the most important, cultivate inner confidence. Imagine the magnetic power of true confidence. When we are confident, we project a sense of self-assuredness and competence that naturally draws others towards us. This self-assuredness allows us to trust our abilities and the natural flow of life, reducing the need to chase after external validation and success. So how can you cultivate this inner confidence? Start with self-awareness and self-acceptance. Building confidence begins with understanding and embracing your strengths and weaknesses without judgment. Recognize your unique qualities and accept them as part of who you are. Acknowledge your achievements. Take the time to celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. This practice reinforces your sense of accomplishment and helps build a positive self-image. Learning from your failures without letting them define you fosters resilience and growth. Step out of your comfort zone. Facing your fears and stepping out of your comfort zone can significantly boost your confidence. Researcher Dr. Pininit Russo-Netzer suggests that pushing out of the comfort zone gives people agency and fosters the intrinsic motivation that comes with personal choice. It stretches them psychologically while protecting their feelings of comfort and safety. By challenging yourself and succeeding in new experiences, you reinforce your belief in your capabilities. Each success, no matter the scale, builds on the foundation of trust in yourself, which radiates outward and attracts others. What if you could harness the power of confidence to attract your dreams effortlessly? By adopting the right mindset, committing to self-improvement, and cultivating inner confidence, you embody a state of being that is attractive to others and conducive to achieving your goals. Start your journey today and watch as the world begins to gravitate towards you. Once you make this shift, you will wonder why you didn't learn this earlier. Now I will tell you about a great hack to make this shift even faster. Be mindful of what you consume. By this I mean what you learn about and what you watch on this platform and others. Think about what you are watching on a daily basis. Ask yourself, is this helping me grow the direction I want, or is it just wasting my time? Then decide if you should continue down the same road or switch directions. You can make a positive switch right now and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. I'm committed to helping as many people as possible, and that's the reason for this channel. Thank you for subscribing. I want you to become super rich, and if that is something that interests you, then click on this video right here. Go ahead and click on this one now, and let's build big money